Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Android Studio and selecting the debug configuration. This ensures your app runs with a debugger attached. Next, find the exact line where behavior changes. Click the left gutter to drop a red breakpoint so execution will pause there. Once done, right-click the breakpoint to verify its state and options, because you want conditional or log actions available. Make sure to select the correct module and device, and then hit Debug to begin running with the breakpoint active. When execution pauses at your breakpoint, you inspect variables in the Variables panel so you understand state and object contents. You then control flow with step over for a single line, step into to dive into methods, or step out to finish the current method. These let you follow logic incrementally. Once done, add watches for specific expressions and consider conditional breakpoints to restrict pauses. This reduces noise. Remember to use thread and frame views to check concurrency, and call stack content. You finish by applying the fix, then remove or disable breakpoints to restore normal execution and avoid future pauses. Before stopping, run evaluate expression to confirm fixes without changing source, because that saves iteration time. If things go wrong and the debugger won't attach, restart ADB, reboot the device or emulator, and invalidate caches in Android Studio. Make sure the app's debuggable flag and min SDK settings allow debugging. These steps usually recover a stuck debugger quickly so you can resume testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.